guys, it's Lo. Just wanted to do a quick update on my Giantex full automatic portable washer. It has been a year already and this thing still works amazingly. However, I don't have it hooked up right now because I purchased a larger unit and I'm actually getting ready to sell this one because I no longer need it. But I have had absolutely no issues. It is in perfect condition. It still works wonderfully. I was still using the green garden hose. It does connect perfectly. And I will do a video on my new washer. It is a whopping 2.1 cubic feet. So it is much larger than my other one. I just needed some more space. My son is getting taller and his clothes are getting bigger, so I needed more space. Like, it is so big I can literally get inside of here if I want to. So I will do another review specifically for this one. It's RCA brand, really great. I've already watched a couple of things and it works out great. I still have the setup pretty much the same as my other one with the Y Connect. It just works better for me, and you know, it's just personal preference anyway. But like I said, if you have any other questions about the Giantex portable washer, I believe this is 1.6 cubic feet. I don't have the specs right in front of me, but it does work really, really well. I would recommend getting an extended warranty just in case if something goes wrong. However, it has been an amazing, amazing machine. I just needed something larger, so I am selling it. So if you need anything, any other questions answered, please feel free to comment, subscribe, like, ask anything that you need. But it is still working wonderfully. Bye.